Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 2 Super Minds Workbook on page 81. So today we will do some revision. Activity 1. Draw and write examples of what you know. So maybe you can draw something about habitats and the animals. So number 1, there is a jellyfish in the ocean. And then number 2, so maybe you can draw something in the jungle. So one of it is tiger. So this is among the simpler drawing for a tiger. So you should draw yourself to master your drawing skills. So this is an example for you. So maybe you can follow this guideline to draw it, or you may draw yourself. So this is number 2. So you can write there is. So I didn't use this apostrophe s, so I will write full in for this auxiliary verb. So there is a tiger in the jungle. So jungle, Jungle, jungle. And then we go to number 3. So number 3, maybe you can draw something in the polar region. So one of it, so this is penguin. So among the simpler drawing, so you may also follow this guideline here. So penguin, there is a penguin. Penguin in the South Pole. So basically they didn't live in North Pole. So maybe polar bear, they live in the North Pole. So this is one of the polar regions. So South Pole, make sure you apply uppercase for S and for P. So this is penguin. And then we have in the ocean also. So this is a shark. So you can write the sentence as there is a shark in the ocean. So the ocean, lowercase for O. So there is a shark in the ocean. So that's it for today. So we are on this Year 2 Super Minds Workbook on page 81. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram robot that I developed for free.